Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back. Thanks for joining me. So I've got some things to show you this afternoon. If you want to skip through it, go ahead. I've got quite a few things to show you, some really cool things. So I won't talk too much, so I'll just start right away with showing you guys a few things. If you remember my coral reef piece, it is now dry and has been varnished. And it has its new home. It's gonna be shipped out. So this turned out really pretty. I wonder if I could just turn my lights a little bit so you get a better, here we go. But this dried so nice. I'm very happy with this. And thank you to the lovely person who purchased it. Oh, the other piece is over here. Hold on. I got a lot on the table to show you guys. So there you have it. All right, so that is the coral reef piece, all done, varnished, ready to go. Next is my Easter piece. This one's pretty. So this had all, actually it goes this way, had all the primary elements colors in it. So that is also completed. This was a triptych. So it was the 3 different size panels. So this piece has also sold, and I'm very happy about that. So thank you very much. And I'll show you the third piece really quick. I don't even know if they're the right way, upside down, whatever. So that's the third piece. Then I want to show you, I'm almost done with the abstract and alcohol ink and resin pieces. I have 2 more steps to do on the video, and then I'll put it all together and it's ready to go. In the meantime, the original pieces are done, completed, and finished. Actually, I'll show you the back. So there's the back. So these pieces are done. These are 8x8 pieces on cradle wood. It's so pretty. I'm so happy with the way that turned out. And here's the other piece. Super, super happy with that. So if you're interested in these 2 panels, these ones are available, so you can email me. Next, I want to show you my mermaid. So this was a commissioned piece and it's finally done. This one was way ahead of all the other pieces, the dragons, of this, the that. So this is now done. And unfortunately, you can't see the turquoise in there, can you? It's very hard to see in artificial light, but the mermaid is done. So I'm very happy about that. And then I have starfish. So I have these cute starfish. These are actually, these belong to someone already. So these are some super cute starfish I did. They will be joining a turtle. So I have a few more of these, probably maybe 6 or 7 more starfish. So if you're interested in a starfish, I can do that for you. Remember the piece where it was around, I can't remember what video it is. I'll link it at the top. And I messed it up so bad, I ended up finger painting on it. And I had the blue just finger paint swipes, and I said I don't know if I should just scrape it or leave it. I ended up leaving it, and then I had a brilliant idea for it, and it's done, and I want to show you guys what I ended up with. So this is what I did with it. I had a little tiny sea turtle, and it's not very thick. You can see it's very, very thin sea turtle. I've had it for the longest time, maybe 6 months, if not more, and I had no idea what to do with it. And then I had that aha moment. So I did an ocean theme. I did an ocean theme on the turtle. All right. And then with the round, what I did was I covered it in just clear resin. And then I added the white wispy waves. As you can see, 1, 2, 3 layers of waves. And then after I added the clear coat of resin, I waited about 2 hours or so, then came back down to the basement. This guy was already done, and I just literally dropped him on there. and that's it. It dried, the resin dried, he's on here, stuck, hard as a rock, and I'm so happy with this piece. I cannot tell you how happy I am with this piece. So isn't that what Bob Ross says? Happy accidents. So when I thought this was a mess and I finger painted on it and I thought, what a mess, it turned out to be one of my favorite pieces. How cute is that? So this is a 16-inch round, and if you're interested, it's for sale. So let me know. It's kanellaciraco@gmail.com, and it's first come, first serve. So I couldn't be happier with this piece. This is just so cool. All right, so that's that. And the last thing I wanted to show you is my 18 by 24 inch canvas. It is now dry and beautiful. And because I use primary elements, do you see the little fading there? It's kind of like a 3D effect. Look at that. I love it. I'm loving what the primary elements are doing. It's really adding a really neat outline design. I actually really like it. Look at that. Here. You see that? That is super neat. So this one still needs varnish, but I'm so happy with the way this one turned out. And this one is available. So if anyone is interested in this one, let me know. So that's what I have on the table to show you. I have my, oh boy, I'm all tied up. I can't bring all of them, but I'll bring some of them before I have an accident. You remember my little 8-piece, triptych, I don't even know what it was called. The 8 pieces of my little 4x12s, these probably aren't even in order. No, and this one goes this way. Actually, this one does go next to this one. Yeah, it does. So anyways, I won't show you all 8 pieces, but this one is dry, varnished. The colors just are so rich. I'm very, very pleased with this piece as well. Varnished, ready to go, has a new home already. So thank you everybody who has purchased a piece from me. If you want to buy any of the available pieces, let me know. I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna grab the camera and I'm gonna show you guys some stuff on my drying rack and some cool things here, because a lot of people keep asking me about this and my drying rack, and then we'll get started to painting, I promise. So give me a sec. All right, guys, so a lot of people keep asking me about this contraption here. A lot of people mention, oh, what's that shelving in the background? So this is something my awesome dad built me. It does close up and latch, but I never close it. The thing weighs a ton, especially with all the products on it. But then, so I put all my bottles and then all my paints and then, you know, push pins, cups, you know, all that, gloves, all that stuff. So you're probably noticing all my new low-leaf Effie bottles. I am super excited. Thank you, Adriana, for sending me all these bottles. These are the medium-sized bottles. I also have the large bottles as well. I got rid of all my other squeeze bottles because, let's just face it, those little red caps on the top were a pain in the butt. So I have these awesome bottles. I have them written, the name and the brand. So ColouArte, Artist Loft, you know, all that. And I'm so excited that everything is now clean and in order. A lot of people ask me about the labels. So I used to print the labels at my very, very old job, but now no one has a job. So I went and bought a label maker. Here you go. A lot of people keep asking about label makers. I literally just bought this off Amazon Canada. It was like 35 bucks. And it came literally in 2 days. And I love the thing. It's just a brother brand. And it made these labels. And it's got like so many different fonts. So many things you can do with it. So I'm loving my new low-leaf Effie bottles. And then I had, this is my drying rack when I don't have space on the table. So as you can see on this rack here, I have all newspaper. Well, when I put down my wet pieces, here's a prime example. They are sticking to the newspaper, and look at the mess, okay? Paper ripping everywhere. Look, completely stuck. And then I had a genius moment where I had a bunch of Loli Veffy mats that Adriana had sent me. So I took the paper off and now I have the silicone mats on my rack. So when I put a wet painting, it won't stick to the silicone mat like it will with the paper. So I'm loving the mats. I'm using them here. I also have them on my table here. Yes, I know a lot of people have been asking me, why do I cover it? Well, I do a painting like every other day and I just can't sit and clean my Loli Veffy mats every day. It's just impossible. But on the other side, I do have 2 more and I do my resin work on here because resin just peels right off and it's an easy cleanup. It's just so much easier than cleaning up dried paint. So when I'm painting for you guys, I have this plastic tablecloth over my Loli Veffy mat. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 mats. And then on my little table here, I have the round ones because they do come in round as well. So I have the round ones to keep my kids' table clean. I've taken over their table. And so, yeah, so I'm going to get another mat for down here and then I'll be ready to go. So that's it. If you're interested in a Loli Veffy mat or any Loli Veffy products, you can save $5 off the Loli Veffy jumbo mat or the mega mat, $5. Kanella, $5. All right, let's get painting. Be right back. All right, guys, I'm back, ready to go. We have a 10 by 20 inch canvas. I have flooded it with my Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White, and I have mixed it with Floetrol and water. You can get that ratio in video number 63. I will link it up at the top for you. All right, I'm going to pop my bubbles really quick. So as I was saying before, if you are interested in a Loli Veffy silicone mat, you can get the jumbo or mega mat $5 off using code Kanella5. All the information is listed in the description below. Okay, so I had a viewer comment and say, what would happen if I used my flooding white, the white that I used to flood the canvas, and put it in little medicine cups or whatever, and then took my primary elements and added it into the white? What would it look like? And I said, well, odds are obviously the colors are going to be more pastel because you're mixing white with the colored pigments. But I thought, you know what? Why don't I try it? She asked, wondered what it would look like. Heck, I wonder what it looks like. So I figured I would give it a go. I figured I might as well experiment. I'll do the experiment. Might as well do it. And then you guys can see what comes out of it. Better me than you, right? So the colors I have, let's start here. So I have Majestic Blue. All right. These are all ColourArte pigments. Then I have, Cranberry. Now, these are the colors here, but once I mix them with white, they're definitely not the same color. Perriwinkle, followed by Mediterranean Blue. This one's a pretty color. And then we have Jasmine. So what I did was I squirted some white into my cup, then put a heaping popsicle stick full of the primary elements powder, stirred it up, and you can see it has definitely made it more pastel, a little lighter. So it'll be nice to see what these colors turn out to be. Like the Mediterranean Blue. Holy cow, look at this blue. It is gorgeous. Such a light, pretty blue. Now, I don't know how these are going to dry on the canvas. I don't know what's going to happen. So we'll just wait and see. And if you want to purchase anything off the ColourArte website, you can do so and save 20% off the entire site using code Kanella120. All right, let's have some fun here. Let's experiment and see what happens. So this is why I do these videos. I experiment for you so that you don't have to do it and waste paint and product. I'll do it, and if it doesn't work out, I wasted paint and product. So, and I've never done this before. This is all new. I'm doing it for the first time on camera with you guys because what's the point of not recording it? What if it turns out really, really good? And then I don't have it on camera to show you guys. Oops, kind of missed there. Right? I might as well get it on camera. So if you guys saw my last few videos and saw all my awesome new wood cutouts, I'm super, super excited about that. I had about 20 pieces, 20 to 22 pieces that I got from my wood guy, and they are all sold, all of them. With the exception of maybe one ballerina and an orchid. Everything else has a deposit down, and I cannot thank you guys enough. I am super excited, super grateful, super humble. I can't thank you guys enough for, you know, putting down deposits and purchasing these pieces. I will work on them in order of deposit received, so that way it's fair to everybody. But I can't wait to get started. I've already done 2 dragons. I've done the mermaid. I will be working on a sea turtle next. So I'm very excited. I'm not going to record all of them. They're not all going to be on film. But I will show you the final results. All right, let's blow this out and see what we get. All right, so I'm loving the colors. I like this. What happened here is I don't think there was enough white, so I couldn't blow it out properly. Yeah. There we go. A little bit better, a little bit. But it's so soft. I'm really liking the colors. There's a lot of white here. All right, that's better. That's pretty. I like it. It's very soft. It's not bold. It's not in your face like a lot of my other pieces, which I like those too, but thought I'd blow that over the edge. That's over the edge. That's nicely over the edge. It's very nice. Actually, it's very pretty, very soft. So I'm going to torch. Not that anything is really gonna come out. Actually, nothing's really coming out. But yeah, I'm actually liking this. It's pretty. It's so subtle. All right, I'm gonna bring you guys now. The question is, how's it gonna dry? It looks pretty now, but it's just a matter of how it's gonna dry. But we will see. I will show you guys the dried result once it is dry. So let me bring you guys down for a close-up. All right, guys, so here it is. Let me know what you guys think of these colors. So everything has gone super pastel and super soft. Something I'm not used to. I'm always big, bold colors. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And the question is, how is this going to dry? So if you are interested in this piece, you can email me at kanellaciraco@gmail.com. And let me know what you guys think in the comments below. It sure is interesting. I love this part the most. It's so pretty. I hope it dries. I hope it dries good. So we'll see. So that's it for now, guys. Check out all my information in the description below. Click on the title of my video if you're watching from a phone, tablet, that kind of stuff. And the description below will expand. Everything is down there. Amazon shops, PayPal link for anyone who'd like to donate to my channel. The discount codes for ColourArte pigments, the discount code for the Loli Veffy mats, and all that stuff is all listed in the description below. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Have a good night. And I'll see you guys soon. Take care. Bye.